Hi, we'll go to the next one. Come to the question. The largest number which it divides 70 and 125, leaving the remainders 5 and 8. He wants the largest number. The numbers are 70 and 125. They are getting the reminders are 5 and 8. He given two reminders here. Whenever he given the reminders, you have to subtract the reminders from given numbers. So like that, first reminder subtracted from first number, second reminder subtracted from second number. Like it here you got 70 minus 5 is 65 and 125 minus 8. How much? 15 minus 8 is 7. So taking borrow 170. Now you have to find the HCF of these two numbers. Why? Because his question is the largest number. So have to find HCF of 65 and 170. 65, 170. How many times 65? 2 means 2 6 are 12, more than this number we are getting. So definitely it is 1 time 65. Subtracted 7 minus 5 is 2. 1 minus 6 which is not possible. Taking borrow from before digit 11 minus 6. How much? It's 5. 52. Now take the before dividend as divisor. 65. 52. How many times? It's 1 time. 52 ones are 52. Subtracted 5 minus 2 is 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. 13. Now the before the remainder become as dividend to the next number. How many times of 13 you will get? 52. It's 4 times. 4 3s are 12. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. So here you got the remainder as 0. Up to you will get a remainder as 0. You have to finish it. This last divisor is known as HCF. So HCF is equal to 13. Follow the long division method for greater numbers. Yeah, the given two numbers you have to find the LCM, HCF. 65 ones are 65. You got the remainder as 52. Previous divisor can take it as dividend. 52 ones are 52. Again remainder you got 13. The divisor here remainder become as here dividend. 13 fours are 52. You got HCF is 13. The largest number is 13. Same like that you will try these number also. Same like that question. The largest number which divides 224 and 118, leaving the reminders 4 and 3. First reminder subtract from first number, second reminder subtract from second number, then you will get two numbers. Find HCF of that two numbers. If he given only single reminder, how can we do? Do you have any doubt? Means that single reminder you have to subtract from how many numbers he given, that many numbers you have to subtract it. That means, suppose his question is only leaves the remainder is 5. Subtract 5 from 70 and subtract 5 from 125. Then you will get two numbers. Start HCF of that two numbers. Did you understand? Okay, like that largest number means you have to go to HCF. I am explaining one sum. Related to that I am giving one more sum. These question and these questions both are they given in previous book. So both the things you have to learn perfectly. Understand? Have to go to the next one. See the second question by seeing that. I hope in previous class I already explained the relation between LCM and HCF. What is the relation between LCM and HCF? Yeah, LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. So he given HCF. His question is LCM. HCF is 18. The numbers are these two. LCM you have to find Apply the formula. LCM into HCF is equal product of two numbers. So easily you will get the answer. Come to the next sum. If the HCF of 65 and 117, HCF of 65 and 117 is expressible in the form of 65m minus 170. Find m. What is the value of m is his question. Okay. He given HCF of these two, it is expressible, it is in the form of this one. What is the value of m is his question. First you have to find the HCF of these two numbers. 65 HCF of 65 and 117. How can we find? Small number take it as divisor, greater number take it as dividend. 65 ones are 65, 7 minus 5 is 2, 11 minus 6 is 5, 52. 65, 152, it's 13, 52, 13, 4 jar 52. Just now we completed HCF of these two numbers. Yeah, just now in previous sum I explained HCF of these two numbers is 13. But what he given as HCF? He given 65m minus 117. He given HCF is in the form of 65m minus 117. What about you? What did you get? We got just now HCF is 13. 13. We got HCF is 13. But he given HCF is 65m minus 117. What do you want? We want the value of m. So m term is here. 13 is equal to after as it is. Negative 117 transpose to opposite side. Positive 117. So 65m is equal to 3 plus 7 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 3. 130. What do you want? M. Here product is going on. Transpose to opposite side. Division. 65 2s. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12 plus 1 13. So you got m value is 2. Understand? Like that you will get the value of m. Find HCF of these two numbers. We got HCF is 13. That one equal to what he given. He given that one is 65m minus 117. But we got that is 13. So equal to that one. Then find the value of m. Transpose to opposite side. Then you will get the value of m. Okay. I hope you understand. HCF means most of the times you will follow long division method only, which is easy for big numbers. Okay. Prime factorization, when he is very particular by prime factorization find, means then you will go to that one. Otherwise better to go division. HCF of A comma B 12. A into B 1500. What is LCM of A comma B is his question. Okay. How can you find? By seeing that question it's clear. He given HCF 12. What are the numbers? A comma B. And the product of numbers he given 1500. What is his question? LCM. Is he asked the numbers separately? No. He want LCM of the numbers. His question is not the numbers individual. What is the value of A? What is the value of B? He did not ask the question. His question is LCM of the numbers. Then how can we Any relation between LCM and HCF? Yes, we have. What is the relation between LCM and HCF? LCM into HCF is equal product of numbers. What are the numbers here? That is A into B. Here he took as numbers are A and B. Clear? So A into B. What do you know? Substitute here. Our question is LCM. Write as it is. HCF, we already given that one. A into B, he given 1500. What do you want? LCM is equal to after 1500 as it is. Between these two, which operation is going on? Its product. Transpose to opposite side, divide by 12. Any table has these numbers. Yeah. By seeing this, immediately we'll get 3 table. 3. How many times of 3 will get? 12, 8, 4. 3 5s are 0, 0. 4 table has this number. Yes, it is there. Still, do you have any doubt? You will go with the 2 table, no problem. 2 2s. 2 2s are 4. 1 is remainder 10. 2 5s are 10. 1 is 10. Here 0 as it is. 2 table 1, 2, 5. So LCM is equal to 125. Understand? I explained the relation between LCMs and HCF. I given the sum related to these one. I hope you are clear. Yeah. The next one is, today we will go to the sums in real numbers and polynomials also. Polynomial sums. We will see polynomials. Yeah. Next one is the value of k. The value of k for which minus 4 is a zero of the polynomial x square minus x minus 2k plus 2. Yeah, what will you do here? His question is find the value of k. He want k value. His question is find the value of k. Then what he given? He given one polynomial and one more hint he given. Negative 4 is 0 of this polynomial. What do you mean by 0 of the polynomial? X place, when we substituted that value, the answer for polynomial is 0. 0 of the polynomial means x plus we substituted that value means you will get answer as 0. Now what can be? We have to substitute x plus negative 4. Substitute negative 4 square minus of x means negative 4. Here minus is there. That's what, don't leave this one. Why? Because x value is negative 4. Minus 2k plus 2 is equal to 0. Why I kept is equal to 0? 0 of the polynomial means answer is 0. When you are substituting x place, it's negative 4. 0 of the polynomial. In that polynomial, you substituted x place, it's negative 4 means answer is 0. Okay, when are you substituting x plus the particular value equate to 0. Negative 4 square, how much? 4 4s are 16 minus of minus plus. Negative of negative, it's positive. Remove the negative symbol means minus 2k. Minus 2 is equal to 0. 16 plus 4, 20. Minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. Then 20 minus 2 is 18. 18 minus 2k is equal to 0. 18 minus 2k transpose to opposite. Positive 2k. I want the value of k. Between 2 and k, product is going on. Take this side. Division. 18 by 2 is equal to k. How many times of 2 you get? 18. It's 9. So, you got the value of k is 9. Okay. Same like this, I given here one question. If one of the 0 quadratic polynomial x square plus 3x plus k is 2. One of the 0 of this quadratic polynomial. X is 2. X place substitute 2 equal to 0. X place substitute 2 equal to 0. That means 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus k is equal to 0. Then you will get the value of k. Understand? Like that you have to finish it. The next one is, when you learn the polynomials, immediately you will learn one formula. That is quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? X square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. It is only the formula you have in polynomials. And sum of zeros, you know, minus b by a. Product of zeros is c by a. Now, find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are minus 3 by 4 and 2. Find quadratic polynomial. Okay, find quadratic polynomial whose zeros are negative 3 by 4 and 2. How can you find? Yes, say, how can you find this one? Yeah, to find quadratic polynomial, the formula for quadratic polynomial is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Before that we will write k also. Why? Because it's just constant. Generally as a bit they are asking the question, find the quadratic polynomial, means you have to write only this bracket part, no need to write that k. K means it's some constant, maybe do you have any denominators, that all the things we have to send opposite side, that side. Yeah, come to here, zeros means alpha and beta. Alpha he given negative 3 by 4, beta he given it's 2. These questions surely 100% you will get in exams, but here his question is two types. One, maybe he will give zeros of the polynomial, otherwise directly he will give sum and product. If his question sum is negative 3 by 4, directly you can write alpha plus beta. Instead of alpha plus beta, negative 3 by 4. Instead of alpha into beta, 2 directly. Sum is very easy. When his question is zeros are, that means alpha is negative 3 by 4, beta is 2. So you have to simplify. You know alpha and beta, you have to add. Alpha plus beta how much? Alpha into beta how much? You have to find. Understand? Yeah? Question. Read the question properly. So x square minus x into alpha negative 3 by 4 plus beta 2 plus alpha negative 3 by 4. Beta means it's 2. X square minus x into, between the fractions or rational numbers, plus or minus is there, you have to go for LCM. What is LCM? It's 4. Okay, product of denominators, when are you writing as LCM? Go for cross product. Negative 3 into 1, negative 3 plus 2 4s are 8. Plus here between these two product is going on. Do you have any chance for cancellations? Cancel it. Otherwise multiply numerators, multiply denominators. So here you have negative 3 by 2. X square minus x into minus 3 plus 8, 5 by 4. Plus or minus, minus 3 by 2. Can we leave like this? No, we can't leave. You have to convert. Complete denominator I want. So here 1. What is the LCM? 4 is LCM. I want all the denominators must be 4. Here we have only 1. I want 4. Multiply 4. Here already we have 4. So no problem. Here the denominator is 2. But we want it's 4. Multiply 2 for getting 4. So 4 into x square, 4x square minus 5x minus 3 2s are 6 by 4. These by 4 we have to write it as k. 1 by 4. 4 you need to write at the denominator place. 1 by 4 into, it is known as quadratic polynomial. It is k, some constant. Did you understand? Yeah, like this you will be prepared well for the coming exams. I explained the sums related to real numbers and polynomials. Which is sums I explained related to that only I given as homework. Surely you have to try both the things. That means what I explained, you have to practice. What I given as homework, you need to do. Why? Because these are both the sums they given in previous board papers. Okay? Practice it well. Thank you.